Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss how we can set up GoDaddy shared hosting and connect a domain and install WordPress on that. So first go to our GoDaddy website and here you need to log in. As we already log in, so we navigate to my products page. So here you will see that your domain name. Also in some cases if you bought domain from another registrar, then your domain might be on different platform. And here you can see our web hosting. So it's a starter web hosting which is a shared hosting. So here two buttons are appearing, setup and options. So we need to click on the setup button. Okay, so I just clicked and let's see for the onboarding process. Okay, yeah, here three options. So I want to create a new website, migrate, or use or upload existing website. So let's just start from scratch and we just create fresh website and then choose the server which is nearby to your location. So I choose Asia server. Okay, later it wants us to install the WordPress, so but we will install that later. So now we skip this part. So the process is started and let me just fast forward this so that you need not to wait. It will go to 100%. Yes. Okay, so now our server is fully configured. Okay, here it is. So now we will connect the domain name with this cPanel. So let me show you from where you can change this primary domain. Okay, so these are the basic settings which allow you to log in the server, and here you can see the basic configuration. So you have to click on the change button to connect your domain name. So once you click on change, it will automatically show you the available domains in your same account. So I just click on connect. Okay, so it will take a few seconds and now it shows updating domain. Okay, and here the domain is updated. Okay, so the domain is now connected to the cPanel. Okay, so here we can log in the cPanel. This is the GoDaddy cPanel which we are using, and now our GoDaddy cPanel is fully configured with our domain name. So but here you can see that the domain is neither SSL protected and nor it is having any data. So if we check on the HTTP mode, like without SSL, so the domain is fully configured with the server. Okay, so the domain is accessible. So now let me show you one more thing. Okay, so from here in the Softaculous section you will see different platforms which you can install on your domain. So here we will use the WordPress. So these are the other scripts which we can install on our website. So now navigate to the WordPress. Yeah, here it is, and just install this application. Okay, so from here we need to select the domain, the directory, the version, and here we will add the username which we will be using for our WordPress login. Here is the password and here is the admin email ID. Okay, so now just click on install button and the installation process has started. Okay, so it is showing an error that we can create only one database in this hosting. So in shared starter pack there is a limitation of using single database. So if there is a already database exists, then we will delete this database. Okay, and now we just try to install this again. Okay, now processing. Yeah, so it's started now. Okay, so you can subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos for all other web hosting configurations, and we will also recommend best hosting for you. And you can also find the free SSL installation video on our channel. You can also find the link in the description box. Okay, so now the domain is fully configured and the WordPress is already installed. So here you can log in the domain name or the WP admin from here. Okay, so in this video we demonstrated how you can configure GoDaddy hosting and set up your domain name and then install WordPress. So if you want to learn how you can install free SSL on any of your website using cPanel, then you can watch our another video. I will put the link in the description box, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos. And for the hosting configuration, you can ask any of your questions in the comment box and I will revert you there. Thank you.